Hello internet friends, it's Sophia with ALGO Online Retail. Today's topic is, will Seller University teach me how to make money on Amazon? I always hear these smart guys say that you don't need to join a paid program to start an Amazon business because Amazon has a free training program called Amazon University, where they teach you how to build a business for free. Every time I hear this, I have a big laugh because whoever made this statement obviously isn't selling successfully on Amazon. And they have never had access to Seller University. Seller University is just basically Amazon tutorials on how to use their products like Seller Central, but it doesn't have any useful information about how to actually build a business. Nothing about how to find products, how to make a profit, how to get products that people actually want to buy, suppliers, accounting for your business, using tools, nothing like that. For example, Seller Central will show you how to create a listing for a product and send 100 units to FBA, but they won't show you anything about how to source the products, how to determine if the product is even a good investment, how to buy the product from the supplier, and how to make sure the product sells, how to make sure that the product is actually profitable. So people who rely on these Seller University tutorials can basically learn just enough to lose a bunch of money. Not to mention, most Seller University videos are unfortunately made by overseas minimum wage employees who have never built a profitable Amazon business. So, if you don't just want to learn how to build a shipping plan and actually want to learn how to build a profitable business and make money on Amazon, you need to join a real program that teaches step-by-step on how to do that. Is it taking you hours to research and vet suppliers? That's how a lot of new or inexperienced sellers are doing it. Now, one of our secrets is leveraging the power and knowledge of ALGO's robust and advanced seller community that consists of thousands of sellers just like you. Now, if you want to learn how to avoid mistakes, learn the step-by-step business model that actually works and that is up to date, access the resources, the knowledge, and the proven process, join a community like ALGO. We have successfully taught thousands of students in North America, and we're always happy to take on more entrepreneurs just like you. Join us, we'll be happy to teach you what actually works.